Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this ZTE. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. Then, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear one next to 3 dots. Following that, click on voice typing and tap on this switcher at the top to enable it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Then click on microphone icon and select Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, voice typing is now on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same icon again. And now my message was successfully created. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!